After our first video breaking down a peptide, we received a lot of requests for additional peptides to break down. So for today's video, I'm going to break down one of those peptides known as TB-500. And I want to emphasize that all of these peptides are still being studied, so the mechanisms are subject to change. This is a 7 amino acid fragment, and it's a synthetic version of thymosin beta-4, or T-beta-4, which is a protein known to accelerate wound healing. And the hypothesized mechanism of how T-beta-4 and TB-500 work is primarily first on cellular scaffolding and on a specific protein known as actin, which actually has two distinct parts. First is G-actin, which is just individual monomers of that protein, but there's also F-actin, which is where those monomers begin attaching together to build out that scaffolding. And it's F-actin that's essential for cell shape and structural support. Now, T-beta-4 or TB-500 has been shown to pool or store G-actin, so that individual monomer form, helping the cell to be ready to aid in building more scaffolding for cell motility, cell movement, and cell turnover. So you can almost think of T-beta-4 or TB-500 as being able to store or stock up enough supplies for when someone is ready to go and build a house, they have those supplies ready. Now, T-beta-4 and TB-500 have also been shown in some studies to have anti-inflammatory effects, and that's by reducing the NF-kappa beta pathway. The NF-kappa beta pathway is necessary to turn on certain genes. It's a transcription factor, and those genes are often associated with recruiting immune cells as well as releasing cytokines. And this is important for an infection, but it can also lead to a lot of inflammation. So by reducing that pathway, we're able to reduce inflammation. So let us know in the comments if you've ever heard of TB-500 or another peptide that you want to hear us break down, and stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin for more lessons related to metabolism. Thank you for watching my latest video. And if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel by clicking over here. And you may also enjoy a related video that I have, which you can find by clicking over here. I'll see you on the next one.